welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast. Before we begin Season 2, I just want to say thank you. We recently crossed 500 streams and downloads, and while that may not sound massive in internet terms, it means a lot to me. That's 500 moments where someone chose to learn about AI in a calm, practical way. So thank you for listening. Truly. Season 1 was about understanding AI, what it is, what it isn't, and how to think about it without fear or overwhelm. But as AI continues to move into workplaces, homes, and everyday life, understanding isn't enough anymore. We need confidence. Season 2 is about using AI intentionally, at work, at home, for creativity, for productivity, and for building an AI-proof mindset. We'll continue answering listener questions. We'll keep the AI hot tip, and we'll end each episode with an optimistic AI thought of the week. But we're also adding something new. In Season 2, I'll introduce a short segment called AI Doing Good. Each week, we'll take a look at something positive happening in the world of AI, whether that's in medicine, space exploration, environmental protection, accessibility, or breaking down language barriers. Not hype, not science fiction, just real examples of AI being used to improve lives. Because while it's easy to focus on what might go wrong, it's also important to see what's going right. And I'd love to hear from you. If you have a question about AI, if you're experimenting with something interesting, or if there's a topic you'd like covered in Season 2, send me an email. You may hear your question featured in an upcoming episode. This podcast is growing, and I'd love for it to grow with your input. If you're looking for a more structured path, you can visit the AI Beginner Academy, where I offer practical, beginner-friendly AI courses designed to help you move from curiosity to confidence. And if you're exploring structured AI training for your organization, there are options there as well. Everything is designed to keep AI simple, responsible, and practical. Season 2 begins soon. New episodes will continue in the same calm, clear format, but with even more practical focus and real-world application. Make sure you're following the podcast so you don't miss the first episode. And as always, AI doesn't have to be overwhelming. It just needs to be understood and used with intention. I'll see you in Season 2.
Schnitzel beats and circuit dreams. Welcome to the show of machines. Grab your bites and join the scene. AI beginner, let's turn the screen. AI beginner, pros to you. Hey! AI beginner, let's compute.